I've lived in this area my whole life basically, and some of the stuff they were telling me I never knew about. The fact that the library is becoming a bit of a hub for these things to happen and stories to be told. It's a library, it's full of stories anyway. I think it makes sense to be the place where stories are captured as well. Little things that you wouldn't know unless you lived in the area for 40 years. Once they stop telling stories, they're gone.
My dad was a miner, Mum was working in a lace factory, so you
Yeah.
know, the lace industry, the rag trade in Nottingham was
Yeah,
big at the
yeah.
time. And I used to come home from school, so I was 11, and I used to make my dad's dinner and my brother's dinner and look after my sister. Because we were always on the street, in the street, running around. Play black cat.
Yeah, we used to get a big skipping rope and we used to take to the lamppost and it goes right across the road. And the police used to come up, stop at the top of the road and come and join in. Yeah, it was the good old days.
Out of the amount of people I've told stories that they've told me in the week afterwards, I'm like, did you know this happened? Did you know this happened? They thought I'd gone to some like history specialist. I was like, no, it's people at the library.